look here. Okay. I put that in because we were at idle. Oh, alright. Probably wasn't necessary. Probably wasn't a bad idea. Hamburg traffic 6 uniform is under 45 for the downwind for runway 19, Hamburg. See what Buffalo's got.
Will be on 5 degrees right on course. Live on initial contact. You will have information pop up. Buffalo Airport HS information pop up. 14540. 1240
we got some winds. Hamburg traffic turning down, 6 uniform turning downwind for runway 19, Hamburg. I'm going to be with you if it's my plane. I'm sorry, what's that? Because of these winds, I'm going to be pretty much on the controls, okay? I'm okay with that. I'm more than okay with that. Okay. It's blowing us away from the airport, right? Yeah. So we're going to have a long base because I'm outside the tower. Now we're going to... Everything will calm down once you get below the trees, okay? As long as you don't have an east wind. In the white arc here, get a notch in, 1500. I want to fly everything the same way, but you might have to make some adjustments because of the wind, okay? Yep. But you're still shooting for the same numbers. So far the numbers are... Hamburg traffic, 6 uniform, turning base for runway 19, Hamburg. Base is a little long, but that's about the only issue. Giving it a little... Because you got blown out with the wind. Giving it a little juice here. All right, got blown out a little bit with the wind. That's what I meant. You make these minor adjustments, but shoot for the same numbers. Well, they predicted it right for once. The winds came in just when they said. Yeah. Hamburg traffic 6 uniform turning final for runway 19, Hamburg. Okay, we'll go with 20 with those winds, okay? Yeah, alright, so what I'm going to do is, I think, make up more of a gentle, not so much of a 90-degree turn, because I'm getting blown this way, right? Okay. You know, on final, I want you to put this wing down, and opposite rudder, try to keep the plane straight the whole way in, okay? Yes, sir. Get over there. I think you're better off getting over there. This is the practice you need. Yeah. But once you get lined up. Still at 80 miles an hour. Okay, pull a little power then, and now you gotta keep this wing down. There you go. Get lined up. That's it. That's the rudder you need. Okay, that's better. Good control. It feels a little funky. We're at 900 right now. Okay. It feels like we're sinking really big. Yeah, let's get it back. That's it. Just low power. You're doing all right. Get it back to the center though. Alright, you're doing good now. Airspeed's a little low. Little power. Just over the runway. Doesn't feel very good. Okay, now put it to idle. Now just work it the same way. Don't forget to crank it in. Crank it in. Yep. On. All the way. I'm in. Now this. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I'm worrying more about the rudder, I guess. Okay. Now not get it all the way. Alright. All the way. I'm not used to ever turning this all the way like that. Right, well, that's a standard practice. Okay. Again, it's like everything else. You know, it's the thing we should be doing all the time, even in a light wind, to get used to it. But there's so much going on in teaching people to land to add this to it at the beginning is crazy. So, Hamburg traffic 6 uniform back taxiing runway 19, Hamburg. I just feel if I tell people to do this right away, there's so much other confusion going on.